Hello, I'm here to review TheraICE Sleep Mask Cooling Gel. This is a really great mask. I'm excited about this video. I'm excited about reviewing this mask because it does a great job at night. It has an adjustable strap. You can use it warm or cold. It has this cooling gel that puts a little bit of stays in place, doesn't put a lot of pressure, it just stays in place and allows my eyes to move freely and allows me to rest, blocks out light, which is awesome, minimizes the pressure of your eyes. It has the cooling technology, the adjustable strap. It comes in this pretty package that I'm planning to keep. This is awesome if you're going somewhere, if you're traveling, if you want to use it on a plane. This is great. And then there's so much benefits to put this on. I also like to put it in the fridge, let it cool down, and after I live in warm weather, so stays on, cools around my eyes after my skin care, so it's perfectly, and I like it. I hope you like it too. Thank you for watching my video.